Quantum physics is a description of the reality. They started really to describe the microcosm and then nanocosm, so very, very small entities. The very difficult part sometimes is that these are phenomena that occurs at the microscopic level. Then actually we have to bring them to the surface and transform them in macroscopic phenomena that have some functions. And this is really what we like. There are easy examples, lasers, modulators. Those are very quantum. They have this non-intuitive part. But the nice thing that even though being non-intuitive, they become then part of technology. So they become then everyday life. That's probably what I like. Quantum physics is really the way we describe them. And we use this formalism that sometimes is in antagonism with the classical description, but sometimes only. Most of the time the two goes together. The main challenge is the fact that we require to implement some of the concepts. We require to have a coherence within the different part of the matter that are not always given. The very interesting part is that to measure and produce this coherence, we have to make big progress in today's technology, even the classical technology. So that allows us to move forward, really, our world into possibly a better technology, less consuming, more performing, and having the possibility of rethinking many of the concepts.
There is three things. There is quantum computing, there is quantum communication, and quantum cybersecurity. I think the most important to understand this is the journey of the quantum. The first thing is maybe it's in 20 or 30 years, maybe it's not giving money now, but we need to learn and to train now. What I said during the panel is we want to drive a Formula One, and we can't be a pilot of Formula One if you don't start when you are little. And we have the tool to learn what is the next machines, what is this quantum computer, this is Formula One. It's really important to understand that. It's new and it's a long-term journey. And you can learn how to code on that machine, how to discover what type of use cases and algorithm you need to have and can run on that. And we need to create that. And we need to train teams. And it's a lot of people to train to be ready for the future. But if you don't do that now, when you don't want to learn to drive, you need to have a driver and pay Uber. And this is the Uber driver who decides what is the cost. I prefer to drive my own car.